Construction. Made of high-quality full T6061 aluminum construction, lightweight, and high-heat transferring aluminum, features a tube and fin design. Feature. Stronger, higher capacity for coolant than stock units. Lightweight direct bolt on OEM fitment or replacement. High performance. High performance two-row racing design. Improves cooling by 35 to 45% temp. Installation. Professional installer is highly recommended, no instruction included. This aluminum radiator is designed to provide maximum cooling efficiency to prevent premature engine failure. Its lightweight and high heat transferring aluminum features a tube and fin design that dramatically increases surface area that enables the heat to dissipate more efficiently. This aluminum radiator is at least 40% more efficient than stock ones. Most importantly, it has a much higher capacity for coolant than stock ones, which means that your cooling system will be more efficient and will be more resistant to temperature surges in racing applications. Top reviews from the United States. This is not a direct replacement for the original radiator. No oil cooler built in. Nice piece, but will require a separate external oil cooler. I returned mine and got one more closer to the original. This is probably for more custom builds rather than standard equipment.